What's up, family, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Walks. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, to give a video a like, and also share with your friends. And on today's video, we are diving into a very special connection between two vibrant cultures, that is Nigeria and Jamaica. You might wonder, what do these two countries, separated by miles of ocean, have in common? Well, it's a turnout. A lot. Let's get into why Nigerians and Jamaicans share such a deep and unbreakable bond. So before I start this video, just watch this small clip.
Nigeria and Jamaica have a special bond and we can't stop thinking about it. Recall when Miss Jamaica won Miss World in 2019. Miss Nigeria jubilated in such a way that you would think that she won the crown. Some people say she was doing too much. But please, this was a moment of sisterhood. Likewise, in July 2022, Toby Amuson won the 100 meters hurdles in the World Athletics, and the Jamaican competitor celebrated with her, hugging her too. Would you say that she was also doing too much? Nah. So what exactly is this bond between the two countries? Though far apart, it seems like natives of both Jamaica and Nigeria tend to have something special when they're together. In February 2022, the governments of Nigeria and Jamaica had a session of the Nigeria-Jamaica Joint Commission in Abuja. Speaking at the event, the Minister of Foreign Affairs in Nigeria, Jeffrey Onyema, said that both governments have put in place mechanisms to strengthen bilateral relations between both countries. So you see, the bond is not only social, but also political. Both governments make this bond intentional. Don't forget to follow us at OK Africa for more information about Africa.
So, yes, this clip perfectly captures one of the key things that connects Jamaica and Nigeria. The love of music, the rhythm, and the culture. You can see how the Afrobeat sounds from Nigeria and the reggae, all dancehall from Jamaica, share that infectious vibe that just makes you want to move. So, to understand why the connection between Nigerians and Jamaicans runs so deep, we have to look back at history. The transatlantic slave trade brought many Africans, particularly from West Africa, including regions of modern-day Nigeria to Jamaica. The Yoruba, the Igbo, the Akan people, among others, brought their traditions, their spirituality, and their resilience with them. Jamaicans are largely descendants of these Africans, so there is a shared heritage that still influences the culture today. Whether it's the Yoruba Orisha worship, all the Igbo or Bia traditions, you will find similarities in their spiritual practices. And these traditions merge with the local culture in Jamaica to form a unique blend of African and Caribbean spirituality, food, and even language. Music is another bridge, from Afrobeat to Afropop, taking the world by storm, with artists like Burna Boy, The Wizkid, to Jamaica's reggae legends like Bob Marley, and modern stars like Pop Canan. Music is a language both Nigerians and Jamaicans speak fluently. It's no coincidence that the Afrobeat and dancehall have crossed paths multiple times, creating each collaborations. It's more than just entertainment. This is a cultural exchange that keeps evolving. Take, for example, Burna Boy and Jamaican style like linking up in various tracks. The fusions of sounds feel so natural because we are tapping into the same cultural essence. But it's not just about shared heritage or music. It's also about the unity in the diaspora. Both Nigerians and Jamaicans have a large community spread across the globe, especially in places like US, UK, and Canada. And these spaces, we come together, support each other's business, attending each other cultural festivals, and even intermarrying. The diaspora has strengthened this bond. You will see a Nigerian vibing at Jamaicans events like Notting Hill Carnival and Jamaicans rapping at Nigerian festivals. It's about mutual respect and shared experiences. Let's talk about food for a second. Nigerians and Jamaicans both have bold, flavorful cuisines that leave a lasting impression. Nigerians jollof rice versus Jamaican rice and peas. It's always a heated debate, but trust me, we all enjoy both. Our love for spicy, savory, and hearty food is another way we are connected. Whether it's a Nigerian party or a Jamaican one, you know the food is going to be one of the best. So, whether through our shared African heritage, the music we love, all the food we crave, Nigerians and Jamaicans have built a special relationship that only grows stronger with time. It's more than history. It's a living bond that we continue to celebrate today. Another key part of the bond between Nigerians and Jamaicans is their shared spirit of resilience. Both nations have history of standing up against oppressions and fighting for freedom. In Jamaica, you have Maroons, Africans who escaped slavery and built free communities in the mountains. These warriors fought off the British for years, maintaining their independence. In Nigeria, you have the resistance against colonization, from the Aba Women riot to figures like Queen Amina and the bravery of anti-colonial movement. This revolutionary spirit is something deeply embedded in both cultures. It's about survival, resistance, and never backing down in the face of adversity. And today, whether it's in the political arena, in sports, or through creative impression, Nigerians and Jamaicans continue to lead with strength and resilience. Let's talk about the language. Jamaicans speak Patois, a Creole language that has its roots in English, but it's heavily influenced by African languages, including the Yoruba, the Igbo languages, which were brought over during the transatlantic slave trade. Similarly, in Nigeria, you have Pidgin English, which has also blended African linguistic structure with English. These languages evolved as a way for people to communicate during colonial times, and today they are a powerful symbol of identity. Listen to the similarities in the rhythm and the flow. It's incredible how language, even when separated by continents, holds on to its African roots. Sometimes a Jamaican speaking Patois and a Nigerian speak Pidgin can almost understand each other because the language carries that same African essence. Not forgetting fashion. You know, fashion is another area where Nigerians and Jamaicans connect. From traditional wear like the Nigerian Ankara and Aso Ebi to the bold, expressive styles in Jamaica, both cultures love to make a statement through fashion. Whether it's an event or in everyday life, you will see the bright colors, the patterns, and the unique ways they express themselves. In both cultures, how they dress is an extension of their identity, and they take pride in that. And lastly, let's not forget the massive influence Nigerians and Jamaicans have had on global culture, from the rise of Afrobeats and Hollywood to reggae, impacts on global music, and the icon influence of Jamaican culture in fashion, sports, and even film. The world is watching and celebrating these two cultures. Everywhere you look, Whether it's the music industry, fashion runways, or even Hollywood, Nigerians and Jamaicans are shining. It's this global influence that continues to unite us and share our cultures with the world. So there you have it. Whether it's through our shared African roots, our love for music, food, and fashion, or the spirit of resilience that both nations embody, Nigerians and Jamaicans are connected in a special and unique way. We continue to uplift each other, influence each other, and grow stronger together. It's a bond that transcends borders and generations. Let's keep celebrating this unity. And remember, our stories are intertwined. If you are a Nigerian, Jamaican, or just curious about these amazing cultures, drop a comment below, like this video, and share your thoughts. What's your favorite part about this connection? See you in the next video. Stay blessed.